friends on YouTube and members of the ForecastEDGE trading community. Matthew here today. I am going to be making another video of how to execute trades using the Kalshi Predictive Market Platform. Okay, with that being said, let's jump right in. Now, on the Kalshi's platform home screen, you'll see at the top of the screen a bar with categories running along the top of it, such as sports, climate, mentions, financials, tech and science, and many more. Now, each of these categories is representing a predictive market, and within these predictive markets are predictive market contracts that we can execute trades on as retail traders or individual investors, okay? Now, for today's video, we will be going over a commonly known asset, cryptos. Now you can see that as I loaded into the crypto predictive market category, multiple predictive market contracts have loaded up in front of me, such as Bitcoin's price today at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Bitcoin's price today at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Bitcoin's price on Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's also when will Bitcoin cross 100,000 again, which is interesting because in our last video, we saw that it was saying when will it rise above 150,000, and now there's more volume in crossing 100,000 than there is in 150,000. Again, many different time frames and many different prompts and probabilities in predictive market contracts to choose from. In today's video, we will be doing Bitcoin's price today at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, now you can see when I load it into this contract, it's telling me there's a bar counting down here, a timer counting down 58 minutes and 48 seconds. That's letting me know that there's only 58 minutes and 45 seconds left in the contract of Bitcoin's price today at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, now if you look on the left hand side of the screen here under the chart, you see all of these predictive markets. Okay, now these predictive markets are going to be changing as the time goes on, because what predictive markets are probabilities of an outcome until that exact outcome happens at expiration, right? So on our right hand side of the screen, you see a trade table that says Bitcoin's price today at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right? Buy yes for 69,250 or above, right? And you can see that the buy, we are on the buy side of our trade table. You can sell when we get into it, which we'll go over in a minute. But right now we are buying the contracts. How I like to do this personally is buying in dollars and selling in contracts. And I will show you how. So we will put $10 on, right? We're going to buy $10 worth of yes at the price of 52 cents. And when I submit my order, when I go here, now you will see that I have 18 contracts of yes at an average price of 51 cents, okay? And I did that by using the trade table on the right-hand side here in the buy section. Now watch what happens when I go to sell. It takes me to the same trade table, but opens me in a new field, a selling position. So I have 18 contracts of yes at 51 cents. That's my average price. Right now they're trading at an average price of 48 cents. And I'm in 18 contracts of yes that Bitcoin will be trading at or above 69,250 today at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? And as this price fluctuates, you can see my open P&L and or open payout will be changing also. But let's say I'm managing this position here today, right? So I can get out if I want to of a majority of my contracts if and or when they start going more in my favor, okay? And another way to read these contracts is not in cents, right? All predictive market contracts trade in a range of 0.01 cents all the way to a full dollar. Another way to read these contracts is and think of these contracts is in percentages. This is telling me that there is a 45% chance right now that Bitcoin will be trading at 69,250 or above at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's changing as we speak because the time's getting closer in the price of the actual Bitcoin in the intraday session is at 68,519. And as the time's going and decaying, the contracts are becoming more unlikely. Right now, there's only a 37% chance that it will be trading above 69,250 at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but there's a 63%, 62% chance at the moment, at this very moment, that they will not be trading above 69,250 or above at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right? Again, so we can go back into our sell position here, right? And we see that we still have our 18 contracts of yes, that Bitcoin will be trading at 69,250 or above at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, right? And I'm watching this price here, average price, okay? So this is about 8 cents lower than what I got in. Again, I said I can manage this position, excuse me. I can manage this position by simply going to my computer, typing in how many out of the 18 contracts that I have would I want to get out of as the trade is progressing, okay? Now, another thing you can do is limit orders. I will show you how to do a limit order now, okay? Limit orders are asking the amount of contracts here, okay? And a limit order price says 40, right? Now, I want to put in a stop loss, say, and I want to put my stop loss at 25 cents, right? Which the estimated payout would be $2.60. But say I want to get out of all of mine at that price. I would be getting back out of the $10 that we put up about $4.20, okay? And that is putting a limit order on, and it will only execute this position if and or when it is touched, which it looks like it filled me on this one. So I'm out of that position. I got a clear out of that position here, okay? Now, we can execute another trade here. We'll go back into crypto, okay? And we can see that wasn't the only predictive market contract that we could get involved in today. There's many contracts, like now there's 69,000 or above. I will get into these contracts using the dollar amount again, right? And this time I will put $10 again, okay? And I'm submitting my order. Once I do, so I wasn't filled on that one yet. And you can check by going to sell. I have no contracts. I'm going back to this again. Okay. And we're going to do 10 and see if we can get filled on them. This time we did. I have 17 contracts of yes for 69,000 or above at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. And that is going to be at an average price of 56 cents. So I can go to sell these positions here now, right? And you can see here that I'm filled at 56 cents, but it is trading at 58 cents, right? So I know that I just took a trade on these other ones, the 69,200, and it was down $2.96. Again, these are smaller trades for example of the video, but I'm just showing you how simple it is to get in and out of these positions and how quickly you can trim profits and or take your stops. If you have to get out of positions, it's not a very hard thing to do. All of the stuff on Kalshi as of right now has been very user friendly for the retail trader. It's something that we as traders ourselves can use as another financial instrument and another way of creating profits using the markets, financial markets, and what's cool about the predictive markets is that it's not just about finances. It's not just about economic data and economic calendars. This is all things all around multiple interest and backgrounds and categories. Like we said, all the way from sports to climate, tech and science, financials, companies, anything that you can think of in those senses. That is what are offered. If you can think of a probability of a certain thing happening or a certain outcome, that's what these predictive markets were made for. Okay, so as this trade's going in our favor, I said I want to scalp out a little bit, right? So say I want to cover myself on a few of these contracts now that it's trading above our price. We can get out of a majority of our contracts by simply, you know, typing in how many contracts that we want to get out of, which was our original 7. That time we got out of 10 of our original 7 with 7 remaining, right? So what you'll do here is you can go 7, right? Or we could do the limit order again. I'll show you this now again. We're going to sell, okay, in the limit order, selling our contracts, right? And these would be at a limit order of, let's say, 80 cents. And we want to sell 7 of our contracts, right? Now you can see over here that I have a little clock, one resting order, okay? What this resting order is telling me is that if this starts trading and gets to the price of 80, it will automatically fill my contracts. I will sell the remaining 7 of my yes for 69,000 or above at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. That is what a limit order does, and that's how it works for you, okay? Now, I'm going to cancel that and I'm going to just simply get out of these as if it was a normal transaction. 7 for that, right? We're in, we're out. Simple as that. And now I can check, sell. I have no contracts, right? And that is really as simple as it is to take some trades on these predictive markets. Within the last 10 minutes, we've taken 2 trades and dealt with dozens of contracts, and it was an easy and user friendly experience. If you guys do need any more assistance, that's what we offer here at the Forecast Edge, which again, if you are interested in that, all you have to do is go to our website, theforecastedge.com. Okay. This is where you'll join our war room, put your information in, select which plan's right for you, and then you are granted access to our um, Forecast Edge Substack, which is where we post our trades. Each of these thumbnails is a trade. And these we cover trades from predictive markets, option contracts, futures contracts. We also offer uh, coaching for the individual traders looking to take it up a notch in their trading career. We also host live classes every Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, or excuse me, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We go live with our trading class with our partner Norman Hallett for the discipline trader in the loaded gun room. Okay, we have a many ways of teaching you as an individual, whether you're just beginning, been trading for a couple years, or even are an advanced trader yourself. We have things that will help every type of trader because we've been doing this ourselves and we've come up with a system and a community that is beneficial to any and all traders out there looking to step up their trading game. Okay. Now, remember, with the Forecast Edge, don't just predict profit. And please leave a comment of trade ideas or what you guys want to see us be covering in the next Trading 101. Also, join our community. It's an incredible opportunity for anybody who's trying to learn how to trade financial instruments and financial markets. We can help you get to where you want to be as an individual trader, whether it's making some side income or doing it full time or granting financial freedom. These are all things that we can help you achieve here at the Forecast Edge. Again, thank you for checking out the video. Please be sure to like and subscribe. The link to our website will be in the description. We will catch you in the next one. And I hope that you guys have gained a little value and a little know how of how to execute trades using these predictive market contracts. Because again, at the Forecast Edge, we don't just predict, we profit, and we want you guys profiting too. So with that being said, thank you. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.